Guys, we got another Weston clock smashing. I'm on the driveway doing this. I'm gonna drop it, so it's gonna be epic. Let's get to it. First, let's drop it from this height. 3, 2, 1. Pretty good. What about a side drop? 3, 2, 1. Pretty good. Nothing happening. Slam test. Already? Only after that. Only after that. Now we're smacked open. Well, not to believe, but this thing's kind of weak. The display thing even popped out. Like, I can't believe it. It was just an ordinary slam test. Didn't even really put some force in it either. Now it barely works anymore. Stupid Weston clock. Oh well. Luckily, I'm gonna go. For this, I'm just gonna go get the handy dandy. Where's that hammer? Got the handy dandy hammer. First top. This place still works. It's because it's still connected to this thing. Okay, now it's stopped for some reason. This clock is the worst clock ever. I'm never buying this kind of brand of clocks ever again. And I mean it. Oh, come on, the display popped out. Too lazy to get it. Oh, junk. Now all we gotta do is kill this junk. Yeah, that was pretty easy. All I did was grab, and this is what happened to the display. Just ripped. Best. This is the other revelations. Still working. Well, I can hear a noise coming from it, but never seen that kind of battery before. Pretty cool about that. Well, that's done for it. Well, here's all the stuff. This is the screen. Oh, but I would go and grab that, but it's just too far away. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.